Backwards compatibility is here now. We have over 100,000 Powerwall 2 owners in Australia and New Zealand, and 99% of those customers are eligible for a backwards compatibility upgrade. Backwards compatibility enables you to expand existing Powerwall 2 systems with an additional Powerwall 3. So we've done a lot of engineering work to make adding a Powerwall 3 to a Powerwall 2 system very easy. There's additional wiring that you need to do, but in terms of the commissioning flow, it's identical to installing a Powerwall 3 system. We support up to 4 Powerwall 2 units, 1 Powerwall 3, and up to 3 expansion units. We're enabling you to reach out to your existing loyal customer base, expand their systems, add additional solar, storage, and also get access to brand new features in the Tesla ecosystem. A lot of the hard work associated with rewiring the home for backup is already done by you, and adding an additional Powerwall 3 for backwards compatibility is a much cheaper way for them to install and expand their system. With backwards compatibility, you have a loyal and warm customer base you can reach out to today. We are launching this feature now. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Powerwall account manager or your Powerwall distributor.